feedback form, right? You just fill in the feedback form, then you can get the slide. Okay, so this is the buyer view. So after we create the discount promotion, right, then we show you, for example, the original price is 40 ringgit, now is 36 ringgit, and beside that you have a banner to tell people that have 10% off. So this will increase the buying intention, because the people, when they see the discount, right, they will feel more attractive to buy. Then we go to the next one. This is the FAQ. You can read by your own, because this slide we send to you guys. Just say until the end, then we will send you the feedback link. Just fill in the feedback link, then we will send you the slide. Then another one is the voucher. So they have few type voucher in the Shopee, which is the shop voucher and the product voucher. And as a seller, right, you have full flexibility to choose what voucher type you want to give, the promotion period, and the product the voucher can apply to. So the next one is how to create the voucher is you go to the Shopee Seller Center, then you click the marketing center, same, because today our topic is around the marketing center. Then click the voucher, click create, then fill in all the details, and that's all. So same, I will show you the live demo also how to create the voucher. The voucher is very useful to increase the average sales per order, is because of, for example, you can go to your business inside there to know your average sales per order. For example, now your sales per order is maybe 16 ringgit. So you can create a voucher that minimum spend 20 ringgit. So they can get a 1 ringgit discount. So people will, when they see the voucher, right, they will feel, I must buy 20 ringgit because I want the 1 ringgit discount. Then I will show you how to create this voucher also. Same. Let me share the screen first. Same, go to your Shopee Seller Center. Then click the Marketing Center across. Then click Voucher. Okay, click Create on your right hand side. Then they have two vouchers for you to choose. The shop voucher is applicable for all the product. Then the second one, the product voucher, right, is only applicable for the specific product. So today we create a shop voucher, for example. Then the voucher name is same, only for your reference. The buyer will not see the name, so you can put whatever name that you want. For example, put voucher. I put maybe ABC. Then the voucher code you can decide by your own also. So the maximum character is 5, the minimum is 1. So for example, for this shop voucher, I put maybe A1, then set the claim period. For example, now is 5/13, so I set maybe 15. Then remember to click confirm. This one is same. This is the end date. I put maybe this Friday. Click confirm. Then they have two types of reward. The first type is discount. Another one is point cashback. So for my experience, right, I do recommend you choose a discount because this is more attractive to the buyer. Then they have two types of discount type also. The first one will be the fixed amount. The second one will be by percentage. What is the difference? For example, by percentage is minimum spend 20 ringgit, they can get 10% off. Then the fixed amount will be for example, 20 ringgit, minimum spend 20 ringgit and above, they can get 2 ringgit off. This is the difference. So I encourage you guys put the fixed amount. So for example, I put 2 ringgit. The minimum basket price, right, is the minimum spend required. So for example, I require the buyer minimum spend 20 ringgit and above, so they can enjoy 2 ringgit discount. Then you fill in the claim quantity. So this one you need to be careful is the claim quantity and the use of the voucher is different. Because for example, the buyer have claimed your voucher, but it doesn't mean they have used your voucher. So it's different. So the claim, for example, I give 100, you just type 100. Then the usage quantity is optional, but for example, if you want to put, I put 50. So it means that the first 50 use this voucher, right, can be is only available for the first 50 only. So you can choose the voucher display setting also. You can choose to display on all page. So it will, the voucher will automatically come out in your shop page, product page, and the buyer shopping cart page. Or you want to display on a specific channel also can, either Shopee Live or Shopee Feeds. Or you don't want to be displayed on any page, you want to share by code also can. It's up to you. So today, for example, we choose display on all page. So after you set all the thing right, just click confirm. Okay, remember to set the date, the time accurate. For example, now it's 16, right? So we set 16. Click confirm. Okay, the discount code is cannot, so maybe we can put thanks, because I want to appreciate the people purchase on my shop. Click confirm. Then you are successfully created. Just back to the list page. So this is your voucher. So you can edit and see the details anytime, anywhere. So let's back to the slide. So same, this is the step, so you can refer back. So this is the buyer view. After you have create your voucher, right, you choose to display on all page. So the photo, the slide is an example that of the shop page. So this is a shop page example, then will be the product page. Then this is the buyer shopping cart page, right? So when they check out, they will miss your voucher. Same the FAQ, you can read by your own. We will send it to you, the slide. Then the next one will be the follow price. So the follow price, right, is help to increase your shop follower. And this is very useful because I do the comparison. When I create the follow price, right, is have more people willing to follow me. So I do encourage, when you guys want to increase your shop follower, right, should create the follow price. So which buyer are qualified to receive the follow price is did not follow the stock before the follow price event. And the second one will be the have never received a follow price from the shop in their lifetime. The third one will be the buyer enter the shop during the follow price event period. So these three will receive the follow price. So how do you find the follow price? Same, I will show you the live demo. Just go to your Shopee Seller Center. Then select the marketing center on your left hand corner. Then now we create the follow price, right? So choose the follow price. Only one follow price are available, so you need to, if you have one, you should delete it. So this is expired, so now you can create a new one. Just click the create. Then same, the follow price name is up to you, is for your own reference, it's not open to public. So for example, I want to put the name is, I want you to follow, also can, it's up to you, but just put testing 1, 2, 3. And same, set the claim period. Now is 5/19, right? So we set maybe 23. Then click confirm. Then choose the end date. For example, I put on this Friday, but we encourage you to put at least 2 weeks lah. But now it's only for example, so I put until this Friday. Click confirm. So this is the expiration date, mean is when the buyer claim the voucher, right, they need to use within 7 days. If not, the voucher will be expired. So please take note on this. This is a very good function to